Yeah. What's up? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little video. It's not a tutorial, it's more of something to inform you, or if you had this question in Blender, this might answer it for you. Alright, so the question is, what do you choose to render your video in Blender? And rendering is a process that you do before you export your video. Okay, you got to render all the frames before you export the video. So that's what rendering is. Now for me, I never knew about rendering because I spent most of my time learning how to make the liquid flow, how to texture the gold, how to even create the cup. I spent most of my time learning that, and then I got to the rendering stage, right? And I see two options there. There's Cycles and Evee. I think on default it's on Evee, which Evee is on the right, the darker looking monkey Susan. I don't even know why I said all that, but yeah, the one on the right, that's Evee, and on the left is Cycles. Now people, when I got there, I was thinking to myself, which one is better? Which one do I choose? Do I choose Cycles or do I choose Evee? Now, Evee is a very fast process. It's, well, not very fast, sorry, let me rephrase that. It's a faster process, but the quality, to me and to most people, is just not A+. It's just not up there, right? Now, Cycles on the left just looks better, but it takes longer. Now, the question you're going to come across once you understand that is, do you want quality over quantity? Because the rendering process is 15 minutes different, 83-second video, so 15 minutes difference between both of them. Being the one on the left, Cycles, takes longer, takes 15 minutes more than the right. Now, for me personally, I'd rather have the good quality, and I'd rather the extra 15 minutes doesn't seem that bad. But I have heard people who have like a lot of jobs on their head, or they're just doing different type of animations, so they drop it down to they use Evee to have the faster render, pump out more videos, have a better work. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the difference. So if you guys had any questions on it, hopefully this video answers it. I'm just learning stuff, and as I learn it, I try to post it for others to learn it as well.